Hi Libras, Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. So what I'm feeling for you is I think you're feeling a lot better than you have in a little while. I think that you either feel like you have more control in your life or you just feel better about where you are and about where the future will take you. You're just in a really good emotional place and you're kind of content with just being in this good emotional place and being in the moment. The guidance that I get for you though is that there does need to be a balance between being happy and in the moment and also planning for your future, because I feel like you're so content right now and so just happy with where you're at that you're really not thinking about where you want to go or what you need to be working on. And for you, I feel like that balance needs to be put in place. You need to be happy with where you're at, but also know where you're going, because you can be happy with where you're at and try to enjoy each moment and pick the choice that makes you happy. And you could do it more strategically and end up where you want to be in a few months or in a year, or you could do it haphazardly and end up somewhere completely different, which could be good, but could be not good, not where you want to be. More likely it's going to be where you don't want to be, and you're going to wonder where all of the time went and what happened. So I think you have a goal in mind or a direction that you want to be going in. And so I don't think there's a lot of having to figure that out, but I think you need to keep that goal in mind as you enjoy the moment. So I guess the best way to explain that is in the moment, if you want to continue to enjoy it, the best way is to make the choice of what, or whenever you need to figure out what to do, the best thing is to make the choice of, well, what would make me feel good in this moment? So maybe you have two different options. Maybe there's someone like a friend who wants to go out for drinks and they like to party really hard, and then the next day you tend to be like out of sorts, and that's fine because it made you happy, but you also don't have a very productive day afterwards. Or you could be really interested in a topic and you found a book on it and you want to read it. Now, both of those options will make you happy. Both of them will make you enjoy the moment. But if you have a plan, you probably pick the book option. If you've been going out with this friend for like 5 nights in a row, you would probably pick the book option, because that will make you happy in the moment and also will lead you to your goals, versus always picking the friend who wants to go out and drink, which makes you happy in the moment but leads you somewhere that you will probably months from now look back on and wonder why you made the choices that you did. So that's what I mean, where you want to have an idea of where you're going and also be happy in the moment and maintain that balance. So that doesn't mean that you need to be working right now and not enjoying the moment because you have a goal that you need to achieve. You can still enjoy the moment. It's about picking the happy choice that also leads you to your goals, because in any moment there can be multiple happy choices. There isn't just one. You can be happy doing a multitude of different things. You want to pick the one that will take you in the direction that you'll be pleased you went in when you look back. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my website, which will be listed at the end of this video and also in the description box. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.